Veryable recently raised $31.9 million in Series A funding to pursue its mission of revitalizing the $2 trillion U.S. manufacturing industry. Taking the first step into next-generation manufacturing, Veryable is an on-demand labor marketplace that helps manufacturers manage fluctuations in the supply chain and accelerate growth. The new funding round, led by Gigafund, with participation from Trust Ventures, will enable us to further grow our well-established presence in the U.S. and enhance our product offering for businesses and workers alike. Veryable empowers manufacturing, distribution, and logistics companies to respond in real time to changes in supply and demand, which is a crucial step toward the digitally transformed manufacturing of tomorrow. We believe this new approach to labor will catalyze other forms of industrial technology, such as the connected factory, augmented reality, and additive manufacturing. This operations-driven labor approach also gives workers more options for when and how they work. Veryable's innovative model has attracted tens of thousands of workers with tremendous skills who seek more flexibility and upward mobility in their careers. We have seen record growth despite the ongoing turmoil with supply chains and draconian lockdowns. We have a big vision for the future of manufacturing and are optimistic about the state of the industry in the United States. If there's something that should unite everyone in this country, it might just be cheering on a new American manufacturing renaissance led by industrial technology companies like Veryable.